get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grabbers in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one picking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. Oh, Valley boy, plus way back. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling.
The mountains top, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike oil. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no, I get a good feeling. Get a good feeling, yeah.
You want to keep applying the paint, even if it looks a bit dark and scary, just keep applying. My thing is, keep shading. The darker the better. You're not done yet. Now you're going to go ahead and use the purple. The purple is meant because it's the darkest color, so you're going to go ahead and shade that in. You don't want to mix the pink and purple yet. You just want to go over with purple as a separate line. I know it's starting to look a little bit Cruella de Vil. Don't be scared. You're not done. Just keep shading in. Now you will apply a black. Just be careful with it though, because it's very dark, so you don't want to just ruin the other colors. Just go under the purple and just softly. Now you go ahead and grab a different brush. I would consider a blending brush because it just works better. That's why it's called a blending brush. And start to blend. You want to do a circular motion, or what I'm doing, stroking back and forth. You can start to see the blending in, and it matches to your other eye. Once it starts to match, then you can go ahead and remove your tape, and you will see the difference.